Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safina Mutiara Ayu. Today I want to practice the vowels that I have learned in this pronunciation course. Chapter 1. E and E. E. Busy. My mother is busy in the kitchen. E. Japanese. Jerome is in a Japanese magazine. Chapter 2. U and U. U. June. I was born in June. Good. My sister good at cooking cookies. Chapter 3. R and R. Father. My father was born in March. Company. Jaco is my cousin's company. Chapter 4. R and R. Box. The bird is in the box. Thought. I thought he was smart. Chapter 5. A and A. Letter. My aunt sent a letter. Camera. Can I borrow your camera? Chapter 6. And Attack. The Titan attacked the island. Birthday. Today is my birthday. Chapter 7. Ear and Ear. Hear. Can you hear me? Share. Let's share this chair. Chapter 8. A, I, and Oi. A. Play. They play when it rains. I. Bike. Do you want to buy this bike? Oi. Voice. This is the voice of a female singer. Chapter 9. O and Ow. O. Code. What is your phone code? Ow. Mouth. Open your mouth and say it out loud. And that's all for me. I'm so sorry, miss, if it's too noisy in here. And thank you.